Okay, I'm going to tell you 5 things you need to do immediately before using Claude. So everyone's literally moving from ChatGPT to Claude. But if you do these 5 things, you're literally going to be ahead of 95% of people. But guys, I do all things Etsy, digital products, selling online, and all of that great stuff. I've got over 900 videos dedicated just for you. So make sure you check them out, guys, so you can see exactly how to make money through Etsy. Okay, the first thing on my list is you need to come over to the corner here, bottom left-hand corner, click on it and go to settings, right? This is super important, guys. Click on capabilities here. Once you clicked on capabilities, make sure that this toggle is clicked and this one is also clicked so that the memory is on, so that Claude can remember what you've spoken about and who you are. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to look at connectors. Now, actually, if you go to connectors, what's really interesting, there's a lot of apps that you can connect to. Now, the thing is, you might not see them there. So what you probably need to do is you need to find them. So if you go to here to customize, and then what you can do is you'll see that if you go to search, for example, here at the top, and you type in Google Drive as an example, well, Google Drive is there, and you can connect to so many things. In fact, they've even got Canva, which I've connected to. I'll just show you Canva. There's Canva. There's a whole suite of different apps that you can connect to. Just makes things much easier for you so that you can always use these directly through Claude. Okay, so just double check and see what other things that you want to integrate. In fact, when you go to browse, let me just show you, you can go to, if you just type a word in, when it doesn't find something, it allows you to browse connectors. And if you click browse connectors, you actually see lots of connectors. Microsoft Word is there, Google Calendar, Shopify, right? There's a whole suite, Zero. There's a whole suite of apps that you can connect to, which does make your life easier. And you can actually, work through those. You can actually speak to Claude, and it can, there is a massive amount of connections and plugins. But yeah, you can connect your Gmail, Google Drive, and just a whole heap of stuff. And guys, if you're thinking about starting an Etsy business or an online business, one thing that stops a lot of people is the confusion around setting up the business properly. Things like company registration, legal setup, and actually it can feel quite overwhelming when you're just trying to get started. And that's why I recommend First Formations, because they make the whole process really simple and seamless. Instead of trying to figure everything out yourself, you can register a UK limited company online quickly and easily through their platform. And what I personally like is that they guide you throughout the process. They check your application before submission to help avoid mistakes or delays. And if anything gets rejected, they even offer free submissions as well. They're trusted by over 1 million businesses. They offer really fast digital incorporation, and they can even provide things like registered office address. So if you want your business to look more professional and credible, then go and check out First Formations. And actually their Trustpilot reviews aren't too bad either, which is always reassuring. So if you're serious about starting your Etsy business properly or building any online business, then check out First Formations using the link in the description. Let's get back to the video. And the next thing that I recommend that you need to do is if you go to, and I'll put the address the address is at the top, anthropic.skilljar.com, which is Anthropic is the makers of Claude, and what they've got is they've got some really cool free courses on Claude that will give you some real good basics on how to use it properly and how to kind of give you some cool tips. You just click on one of the courses and it will just go through it. Really good, really important, video courses. Okay, the next super important way is you need to go to settings. And this is about filling out your profile. So when you go to settings, you just come over here where it says instructions for Claude. And, it gives you examples. But what you need to do here is you need to tell it about yourself. This is about your personal preferences. It's about who you are, exactly how you want it to output and the way you want the Claude to output their responses to you. This is super important. You can say things like keep explanations brief or make sure that explanations are very detailed. keep it up to maybe 3 or 4 different points. So you kind of have to give it, and this can be quite very detailed as well. The instructions can be really detailed, so you can actually write quite a bit in there. In fact, just tell it about who you are, what you do, your processes, your weekly routine, the tools you use. Let it know a lot more about you, everything imaginable about you. And number 5, a really big one that a lot of people actually complain about, is their writing styles. People prefer a certain sort of writing style when you get your responses. So if you go down here, you'll see that when you click the plus sign and you go to use style, you've got all of these different types of learning styles that you can click on and for Claude to kind of respond with. You can even go to plus again, and where it says create and edit styles, and you can actually create a custom style. So you would add your writing example style of how you write. So maybe choose something like something from an email that you've got and just kind of paste it in there. Then you're training Claude to write it in exactly your style, which is super important. So that it literally reflects you. And literally it's going to mimic the style of your email, your writing style. And that's it, guys. Now you're ready to use Claude properly. And if you're serious about making money online with AI, why not join my academy, where I'll show you step by step how to create and sell AI-made digital products on one of the biggest platforms in the world called Etsy. Anyway, if you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I shall see you on the next one. Take care.